This is Richard Walker reporting to you from WKTB 18. I think we found the legendary Bigfoot. He's apparently sleeping in this man's house. Listen, he'll rumble. My God, listen to the power of that air. I believe he done sucked in an acorn or something. Possibly he just died. We're not for sure though, but we'll get back to you.